I wasn't studying only in a classroom. It's like a cocoon. In a classroom, we are protected, safe place to make mistakes and everything. But I tried to communicate to my boys' cricket team and the school. My name is MAYUMI. I studied English as an additional language. I live in Preston. I like paths and parks along the Melbourne Creeks. It's so beautiful. And my youngest son wanted to play cricket. So he started to play, and that's my cricket journey began. I got a job working at City of Darwin Council. I'm a home care support worker, so I could deeply understanding the different culture and traditions. One of the biggest challenges is that I had to face to overcome it during my fear of speak to native English people. But my teacher encouraged me to overcome those fears, so she tried us to talk as much as we can. So it was great. I would like to say thank you to my teachers, especially for Mary. She is really professional to taught us very impartial, very good.